Hey everyone, and welcome. Today, we've got a fantastic story of discovery, and it's a great reminder that our world is still packed with surprises. We're not talking about some far-off remote island. This is happening right off the coast of India.
It's a wild thought, isn't it? We can map distant stars and galaxies, but the truth is, the vast majority of our own oceans are still a complete mystery. It's this whole other world down there, and every once in a while, we get a little peek at what's been hiding all this time.
And that little peek takes us right here to the beautiful coastline of Odisha in eastern India. Because it was right on these shores that a team of researchers found something that, according to everything we knew, just shouldn't have been there.
So let's set the scene. You've got a team of marine scientists from Berhampur University, and they're out doing a survey. Just a normal day, right? Collecting samples, doing their thing. But what started out as routine quickly turned into something huge, a discovery that would actually redraw the map of marine life. Yep, right there in Aryjapalli Beach, they found something in the water that made them stop and go, wait a minute, what is that? It was a creature that had never, ever been officially recorded in India before. So, let me introduce you to Stenothoe lowryi. It's this tiny, shrimp-like crustacean, and when I say rare, I mean rare. Until this moment, the only place on Earth it was known to live was off the coast of Malaysia. So finding it in India, that's a huge deal. It expands its known home by thousands of kilometers. Okay, so what exactly is this little guy, Stenothoe lowryi? Let's zoom in a little bit and figure out where it fits into the grand, complex puzzle of life. Every living thing has its own spot in the big family tree of life. Scientists give them a kind of scientific address to know where they belong. For our new friend, that means it's in the order Amphipoda and the family Stenothoidae. This table is basically its exact location on the map of life.
And as you can see, it really does look a lot like a tiny, tiny shrimp. It's got this simple but super efficient body design, long with a clear head and a segmented body that has worked perfectly for its relatives for millions of years.
Now, to really understand this creature, we've got to zoom out and look at its family, the Amphipods. And their family name? Well, it gives us a massive clue about what makes them so cool. The name Amphipoda literally translates to different-footed. And that's not just some random, stuffy scientific term. It's the perfect description of what makes these little animals so unique. Different-footed, it sounds a little funny, doesn't it? I mean, why would you name an entire group of animals after their feet? Well, believe it or not, there is a very clever reason. It's because they have a whole toolkit for legs. See, unlike their cousins, say crabs or lobsters, not all of their legs are the same. They've got different kinds of limbs, each one specially designed for a different job. Some for swimming, some for grabbing, others for burrowing. It's like a biological Swiss Army knife. And these different-footed critters, they're everywhere, seriously. Not just in the ocean, but in freshwater lakes, rivers. You can even find some on moist land in the tropics. They're basically the planet's tiny janitors, cleaning up all the dead plant and animal matter, playing a really important role in their ecosystems. Okay, so we've met this tiny crustacean. It's pretty cool, for sure. But in the grand scheme of things, why does finding one little animal like this matter so much? It's simple, really. This is the very first time Stenothoe lowryi has ever been officially documented in Indian waters. It's a brand new entry in the biology books for an entire nation. That's a big deal. And what that first really tells us is that India's coastline is this incredible, biodiverse treasure chest. This one tiny animal is proof that there are countless other secrets just waiting to be found, right under the waves. It's like a giant invitation to keep looking. So that leaves us with this final, amazing question. If a creature that we thought only lived near Malaysia can suddenly show up on a beach in Odisha, what else is out there? What other new species, new behaviors, what other wonders are just waiting for us to find them, right off our own shores? Makes you think, doesn't it?